Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the fastest method on how you can get infinity in Infinite Craft. So let's get started. So the first thing that we'll need is earth plus wind, and then water plus water, fire plus water, right there, and then dust plus earth, right here, and lake plus water, and then planet plus steam, and lake plus ocean. So we're gonna add lake right here, and earth plus fire right here. And after that, you would want to go for ocean plus steampunk. So we're gonna go for this one, and then lava plus sea right here. We now have stone, and then we would need to go for a steam plus steampunk pirate. So we're gonna go for steam right here, and now we have the pirate ship, and then we're gonna add stone into that one, and we would have Stonehenge. And now we need time, but we don't have time right here, so we need steam plus Stonehenge in order for us to create time. So steam plus Stonehenge right here, and now we have time. And then after that, we would need to go for Aeon, so it would be lake plus time, and then we now have Aeon, and then we need eternity, so we're gonna add time to eternity. So time is right here, and we're gonna add it to Aeon. Now we have eternity, and then we need forever, so we need to add Aeon into eternity. And now that we have forever, all we have to do now is just get lake, and now we have infinity just with those easy method. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.